Microbial fuel cells. So, what are microbial fuel cells? Introduction. Microbial cells as biocatalysts are used in various industries to enhance production processes. They enable efficient, scalable, and eco-friendly manufacturing of pharmaceutical, chemicals, and biofuel by utilizing genetically modified microbes to catalyze specific reaction. This approach improves product purity, reduces costs, and minimizes environmental impact.
The biofuel industry is pioneering energy use by providing renewable, environmentally friendly alternatives to fossil fuels. Biofuels derived from organic materials are pivotal in transportation, powering vehicles with ethanol and biodiesel. They reduce carbon emissions and improve air quality. Lipases from fungi and bacteria catalyze the production of biodiesel from oils, while cellulases from bacteria and yeast break down cellulose into fermentable sugars for ethanol. Beyond transportation, biofuels also generate electricity. Biomass power plants use cellulases from fungi to convert agricultural waste into glucose, which is then fermented to produce biogas for power. This process reduces landfill use and cuts emission. In industrial use, biofuels support heating and production, lowering greenhouse gas emissions. Amylases from bacteria convert starch into sugars for bioethanol used in industrial heating. Overall, biofuels enhance energy efficiency and promote eco-friendly practices.
There are a ton of different types of microbial cells used in food industry. Milk turning into yogurt. Lactase is an enzyme used to break down into lactic acid, which makes the fermented milk easier to digest for the lactose intolerant. There's also another microbial cell known as protease, which, you guess it, is used in the protein category. Mostly for meat though. It tenderizes the meat as well as increases nutrition and enhancing the flavor of meat. A common thing used in production of fruit and vegetable juice is cellulase. This particular enzyme is useful in extraction of juice, the unfortunate side effect being that it can and will slightly negatively affect the quality of the juice.
We're going to talk about what is the role of biocatalysts in the pharmaceutical industry. First, I go with the production of therapeutic proteins and hormones. Genetically modified microbes and enzymes produce therapeutic proteins and hormones precisely, scalable, and efficiently. For insulin, the human gene is inserted into E. coli or yeast cells, cultured, purified, tested for quality and ensuring high efficacy, low allergic risk, and cost effectiveness and ethical benefits. Second point, I go with the vaccine production. Microbial cells produce vaccine by inserting a plasmid vector with the antigen into the yeast or the E. coli, which express and purify the antigen. This method is economical and scalable, consistent, safe, and accurate, quickly adaptable to new viruses. And the third point will be biocatalysts for drug synthesis. Biocatalyst uses enzyme and whole cells to catalyze pharmaceutical reaction with high specificity and efficiency in eco-friendly chiral synthesis by genetically modified microbes produce and ensuring pure chemicals and offering the high selective, economical, and environmental friendly to traditional chemical processes.
The bioremediation application hydrocarbon degrading bacteria of Pseudomonas spp uses alkane hydrolysis to break down oil into less harmful substances. The Geobacter spp, it's a bacteria uses cytochrome C to reduce and precipitate heavy materials from contaminated sites. The advantages utilized natural processes, reducing the need for harsh chemicals, and also often cheaper than physical or chemical cleanup methods. Also, it is less disruptive to ecosystem compared to other remediation methods.
Now moving on to agriculture industry. The produce of agriculture is essential to human survival as plants are the producer of food. Farmers often use enzymes to cultivate better harvests. Enzymes act as natural herbicides, pesticides, and fertilizers to help crop reach its potential. For application, they are used for soil health and fertility. Enzymes such as amylase, lipase, phosphatase, urease, phytase, and ketonase contribute to breakdown of organic material in soil, releasing nutrients required for plant development. Another application is biofertilizers. Mycorrhizal fungi uses phosphatase to remove minerals from organic materials for plants, and cyanobacteria uses nitrogenase to do nitrogen fixation. Here are the advantages of it. These enzymes enhance the nutrient uptake and promote plant growth, leading to higher crop yield and better crop quality. And they also improve seed germination rate and early plant development, contributing to robust crop growth.
Thank you for watching our video. Hope you enjoyed.